Students, so now we will solve the next step, that is revaluation account. So write the heading, revaluation account, debit particulars amount rupees, credit. I have told you so many times, debit side you will write always the expense, value came down, kharchu, okay, loss. Credit side you will write value increased, gain, income, okay. See here, Kaveri should bring capital, adu beda. Goodwill also will not come in revaluation accounts. Here, provision for doubtful debts to be increased by 1,200. Provision for doubtful debts is PDD. It is your expense. Has increased by 1,200. Your expense has increased. So where you will write? Very good. You will write in the debit side. To provision for doubtful debts. Bracket alli bariri if you want. PDD. Yes, increased. How much is increased by? I have told you all, whenever the word by idre direct amount togoli 1200. So 1200. Okay, good. Next, patents and machinery to be reduced by 20% and 2000. So patents reduced by 20%. Reduced and where will you write? Yes, debit side of revaluation account. Value has come down. So 2 patents 20% ante 20% andre how will you write? 20 divided by 100 into value of patents eshtiದೆ question alli. See here, patents value is 4000, isn't it? So into 4000 will give you 800. Yes, machinery the value what they are telling, they are reduced. Yes, by ಈ word by idre direct amount togoli 2000. So 2000. Okay, now building. Next, what they are telling, land and building are to be increased by 4000. Increased andre where will you write? Yes, you'll write in the credit side. Your word by idre direct amount togoli. So by building amount is 4000, isn't it? Yes. Next ಏನಿದೆ, capital accounts. ಅದು capital account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಆದರೆ ಈಗ total ಮಾಡೋಣ. Expenses you wrote here, income increased you wrote here. Total you do both the side. Here it is 4000. Here it is, see, here also it is 4000. See students, now both the side is equal. When both the side it is equal, that means there is no profit, there is no loss. Yes, so there is nothing to transfer, to profit transfer or to loss transfer and the entry barudilla. So it is neutral, no profit, no loss. Okay, now we will solve next partners capital account. First step in partners capital account is what? Yes, by balance brought down. What amount will you write? Yes, you are going to write this amount. That is your capitals kottidare balance sheet alli 40,000 and 20,000. Write it. So 40,000 and 20,000. Next step is actually to write revaluation, profit or loss. But here profit or loss ಏನilla revaluation account alli. So we will ignore it. ಆ entry ಇಲ್ಲ. Next step, see whether there is reserve fund ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Profit and loss ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So no that step. Kaveri should bring 13,000 as capital. Cash in hand. So by cash account ಅಂತ entry ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13,000. I will repeat this once again, students. See, Kaveri should bring capital rupees 13,000. She brings cash in hand. Cash in bank idre by bank ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cash in hand idre by cash account 13,000. Next ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Goodwill of the firm is valued at 6,000. Here Kaveri is not bringing money as goodwill. Here goodwill of the firm is valued. In that case, we are going to give this treatment, normal number goodwill treatment, that is goodwill account debtor to partners capital account. By goodwill account, goodwill amount was how much? Yes, 6,000 and then 6,000 you have to give always in your old ratio. Always please write here old ratio. Old ratio is 1:1. See, in old ratio in kodlilla, there is no ratio given. In that case, we are assuming it is equally done. So 1:1. Isn't it? So 1:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ equal ಅಲ್ಲ. 6,000 equally divide ಮಾಡಿ, yes, 3,000 each ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 6,000 ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3,000 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So always, whenever they give in the question, goodwill of the firm valued, goodwill of the firm raised, or goodwill of the firm created, ಇದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is goodwill account debtor to partners capital account. Yes? Okay. Next, adjustment to be made in cash ಅಂತ entry ಇದ್ರೆ what we are doing? Yes, last time also I have told you all this calculation what you had done now. Yes, calculation of capitals just now. This amount you will write. So here you will write to balance carried down. For Ganga it is 39,000 Ganga. So right here 39,000. For Yamuna it is how much you had calculated? 26,000 right here. 26,000. For Kaveri it is, Kaveri has brought this much amount. This much. Please don't write this. This is the total capital. Kaveri's is 13,000. Yes. Now you will balance it. Total money. Best is first Ganga's amount we will do total. Ganga's total is how much? 43,000. Here it is more. Credit side only. 43,000. Here also you will write 43,000. Debit side kadme ide. How much is less? 43,000 minus 39,000 ಮಾಡಿ. You will get, yes, 4,000. So write to cash account. Excess withdrawn. Here always remember withdrawn bandre we will do to cash account alla. So to cash account excess withdrawn. Okay. Now Yamuna will do total. Yamuna total is how much? Yes, highest is 26,000. Debit side is more here. Here it is a 23 alla. So 26,000 I am writing. But kadime credit side illide. How much it is? 26,000 minus 3,000 minus 20,000 ಮಾಡಿ. You will get 3,000. So by cash account. Illi 2 cash account ittu. Here it will come by cash account. Please write in the bracket deficit brought in. Deficit brought in. Okay. Now we will do this. Kaveri, here it is 13,000. Here also it is 13,000. So nothing to withdraw or nothing to deficit to bring in. So this much is your partner's capital account. I'll just repeat it once again, students. First, by balance brought down, same as it is. Revaluation account illilla entry because there's no profit, there is no loss. By cash, what the amount he brings. There is no reserve fund, there is no profit and loss account. Goodwill valued, raised, or goodwill created anta kottidre normal goodwill entry kodi. Goodwill account dated to partner's capital account. By goodwill account you will give it in the old ratio. Old andre illi 1:1 arda kodi. Next to balance carried down you have to write this. Okay, then balance ಮಾಡಿ. First for Ganga you got 43,000. Here excess illi ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. Here in the credit side it comes for Yamuna. That's it. Okay, thank you.